Hi there, binary options traders. My name is AJ, and today I'm going to be showing you a Euro USD 60-second binary option that I placed on July the 6th, 2012. It was a put option for an invested amount of $24 that expired at 40.80 for the expiry below, so it was correct. And as you can see, not that big of a win, 0.6 of a pip, but good enough for in binary options, but especially good enough in 60-second binary options. And I'm going to go through with you right now the chart work. So as you can see over here, I have my Euro USD 1 minute chart, and basically what happened right as you can see from the chart is the price was moving steadily down, and so basically I use this 50 moving average to give me a clue of where the trend is, and if the yellow moving average, which is the 50, is above the price, that means the trend is down, and if it's below the price, that means the trend is up. And if it's sort of fluttering back and forth, that means, well, it's ranging. And so as you can see, price had begun to move down. It even tried to move up, and then it got pushed back down, move down, move down, move down, tried to push up here, push down. And so again, basically when I saw that price was sort of beginning to touch this line, I looked and waited and was patient for a put option trade, and one came right over here when the price just went slightly into the 50 moving average, and that's where I placed my put option. And of course the next candle over was red. This was not involving a stochastic or an RSI or anything else. It was a simple moving average, sorry, not a simple moving average, it was actually an exponential moving average, but it was a simple moving average play. So price often likes to hug these averages, and as you can see, the price seems to hug around this 6 moving average that I have over here. But this 50 moving average is sort of like a barrier, and if it goes across and makes it across, that means that probably the trend will reverse. But it seems that the sellers were very insistent on pushing it down, so the bears had their way, as they would put it on Wall Street speak. Not that big of a win, but a good enough win, and especially considering the 1 minute chart, it's an excellent win. So, well, not excellent, but decent. And I just like to, maybe for myself, and if you want to share in this too, use your moving averages if you want to use them on your indicator list, but use them as a sort of, definitely as a form of identification of where the trend is and whether it's going up or down or sideways. And then also use them as a sort of extra support lines or a resistance line. So as you can see, for this trade, the 50 moving average acted as a resistance line, and sometimes it'll act as a support line. Sometimes price will just move on through like a train, just right through it, and it won't make a difference at all. But oftentimes, especially when you see the price is moving steadily down or steadily up, you'll see price sort of drift back to that 50 moving average point as a form of little pullback, and then continue its way down. So that's pretty much it for this video, and I'd like to remind you to like, comment, share, and subscribe these videos, as well as the videos over at the Happy Forexer channel. Don't forget, if you don't have a 24 option account, there's a link in the description down below, which will take you to 24 option, and you can fund your account from there. Don't forget also that to just write anything in the comments. Well, not anything goes, but write something relevant, say hello, introduce yourself, just get to know the people in the community in the YouTube channel as well as the Happy Forexer channel, because we share a lot of users together, and it's a good time because basically everyone shares their strategies, their ideas, their thoughts, and everyone can profit from that. And it's a good feeling, because trading is sort of a lonely game, and some people might enjoy that loneliness, but I feel bouncing off ideas, not necessarily positions or like or what trade should I take or whatever like that, but more people sharing ideas of how to approach a trade, how to approach a chart. That's much more educational, much more informative. And so if we can build that up, it'd be really awesome. And so far we've got a lot of users that have been jumping in on that. So if you want to join in on that too, please don't feel shy. I'd be happy to respond back to you, and so would other people. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next time.